Hello friends, today I am going to share another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to create a UC Union account. Well, UC Union program is one kind of app share program where you can earn money from sharing download things of Android apps. So how can you earn money online from this UC Union program? I will show you. So create a UC account is a very simple process. First you have to go to union.ucweb.com. Just copy the link and paste in your browser. The page is loading. Okay, once the page is load, you have to click on sign up. To sign up for UC Union, first you have to choose a username. Just choose any username that you want. First, just remember one thing, that is unique. It must be unique. Enter any password. Again, confirm password. Select your country where you are living. Password won't match. Again, enter simple password that you remember, as I say. Select your country. Your online contact. Simple online contact is just paste your Facebook profile URL. To check your Facebook profile URL, just go to your Facebook account and paste your profile here. Enter your email address. Mobile number. Just enter your mobile number that you are using currently. Click on agree to terms and conditions and tap on submit. Okay, once it submit, you will see a home. You will be redirect on the home page of UC Union account. Here you can see all the offers which listed to promote and anything else. Just go to management section. In management section you will find the all offers that is available in UC Union account. Click on management. Well, after the clicking on management section, you have to add a website where you can promote the apps and games of UC Union. So just click on check campaign list. Click on any app offer to promote it. Drop down arrow. You have to submit a new site. Click on submit a new site. New one. First, now you have to choose a cooperation mode. Please choose a cooperation mode as cash. If you choose traffic, you won't receive any cash. After choosing the cooperation mode, click on affiliate, non-dynamic ads and CPI, site, app, game, ads network. Source name, in source name enter your website name. Like I have a website on my name, so I have to enter website name on source name and website URL in source URL. Okay, once you enter your website name, select category. In category you have to select blog. If you are running blog network, you have to select blog. You can also select others, but blog is best option to choose into category section. In integration mat, you have to select link. Is the perfect way to earn money. Once you select link, it will be, you have to complete verification process of, and you just have to wait for verification email. You will be receive verification email in 1 to 3 days after the submitting the request. You can submit another request on this time, or you can just have to wait for approval mail. Once you receive the approval mail, you can check all the offers from management section. So once your account is approved, you have to go to management section. Click on management tab in your UC Union account after login. Now you have to check campaign list. Check campaign list. Now click on all campaign tab. All in all country drop down, select your country name. Like you are living in India, so you have to select India. Just select the country where you're living. Okay, click on search button. Here you will find the all offers where is available in your country, like mobile money, celeb divas, free talk time, Vodacom Club, 9 apps, UC browsers, and any other Android apps and subscription services. You also see the amount per install on any app. Okay, now just you have to click on promote it button and select your approved website. Once you select the approved website, now copy the promotional links, or you just have to click on copy link. Now you can use this link on FB, your website, and any other site to download and share this link. Once someone download any Android app using your referral link, you will be get paid. You can check all your account details in report section. In report section, you can check how much money you earn yesterday. Reports are not real time. You can see each and every report in next day after the 8 p.m. according to Indian time. Take some time to paging load. You can see report section here. In report section, you can check your earning details. Like you can see I earned $1.42 yesterday, 0.82, 1.22, like this. You can also check the payment on payment history tab. Just go to payment message and you will see all your payment details here. They will pay you each 50 net basis. Once your payment is approved, you will get all the amount on 10th of every month. But before receiving any payment, you have to complete your payment details. To enter your payment details, you have to, so once you click on account setting, after the clicking on account setting, you have to enter your bank account details, your name, your birth name, nationality, city, mobile number, and click on submit. After submitting these details, click on payment account tab. In payment account tab, you have to enter your bank account number, bank name, and payment currency, Indian rupees or US dollars, bank name, bank account numbers, SWIFT code, and your PAN card details. You also have to update your PAN card. Once you upload all things, click on submit. Once you submit the email or payment account details, you will receive payment on the 10th of every month. So if you like this video, just comment below, like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.